Hello and welcome to Top Ranking Dude. Today we are going to reveal top 10 freelancing sites to work on. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Behance. Suppose you are a freelancer having one of the top demanding skills in 2021. You can opt for this website to find a large audience for networking opportunities with personalized content. The only flaw this workplace has is the competitive environment, a limited image size. It can be somewhat different from the other websites you stumble across in this video. It is a social network for creative talents in freelance. If you are a designer, you need a community, and this place is the tombstone you cannot walk past. Start on the platform by creating the account and browsing through the sections. If your skills falls into the most demanding skills, you will get the most demanding freelancing job. Establish yourself on this platform and benefit from the connections you make. Number 9. Dribbble, a designer must. This is the place you need to list if you are a designer. You need to set up a profile on Dribbble, and this is the sign. The platform will amaze you with its variety of killer projects. Community on Dribbble is well equipped to always complement the most demanding freelance skills in the designer section. Job requirements on the pinboard consist of high-paying clients and unique projects to work on. Dribbble is the high quality a graphic designer is looking for in the field. You can do professional high-value projects and drive much traffic. You get all of this at your disposal to get the most prospects and make a better living. The algorithm recommends job alerts and places to apply based on your skill set and experience. Or you can set alerts for the most demanding freelancing skills or jobs. Number 8. Freelancer.com. It's another marketplace you can stumble upon while exploring the freelancing marketplace. You can explore extensive boards with high-paying clients. After going through a job, you can get support, chat with the prospect, and know the gig better. The platform offers gigs in content translation, web development, app development, social media marketing, and much more. The customized interface supports the payment and managing the prospect issues for you. You have the benefits of a progress tracker and 24/7 customer support. It is another place you can add to your list to make your freelancing journey easy. Number 7. Thumbtack. It provides the easy connections between clients and freelancers. This one is the easy access you are looking for. You can think of it as another gig website, but Thumbtack does it differently. Their main aim is on the small and budding businesses. The platform is willing to boost your presence if you are a new designer, content writer, or having the demanding skills of 2021. The platform is there to help you find roles with clients matching your job description. They offer refunds and protection to help you even if the gig does not work out. The benefits do not end, and you even have a custom job profile to help you grow in the lot and enter the preferred roles. The misfortune you step upon is pricing for the client leads. It starts at $1.5 per lead and increases depending upon your competition. Number 6. Fiverr, a marketplace for every kind. Fiverr lets you explore in a ranging marketplace for prospects. It houses a vast clientele of 3.42 million, making it easy for you to get opportunities. The clients search for the top freelancing skills, and if you have one, offer and monetize it. But all the honey won't come to you without a sting bite. Fiverr's service fees are higher than its peers. The immense client exposure comes with a price tag that takes a 20% share fees for the vast opportunities provided. You need to keep the clients happy and rolling. Get reviews and let the honey flow. Number 5. People per hour. As clear as the name makes it, they enable you to work with an international community and get higher job ratings. You and the client get to opt from a vast range of services and compare. It is used by 1 million businesses and over 2.5 million freelancers. The platform should get your listing for exposure, at least because for a wider audience. You will have an international clientele and regularly rated reviews from jobs. Number 4. Guru. It is a platform that empowers you on a global scale. You can apply to companies around the world and work cost effectively and flexibly. Global companies hire in the most demanding freelancing skills context. You can choose this platform for its cost-effective measures and widespread use. The intricate process measures the authenticity it follows. It verifies freelancers and publishes feedback scores from their previous clients. You can opt for fixed prices, hourly charges, or an amount for a particular task. This can be the plus points of this platform. The experience can be fruitful and money making. Number 3. TopTal. This one on the list is not the usual gig finding website. TopTal accounts for the top 3% of hires in the freelance space. It sits among the top 5 freelance websites for work. TopTal hosts global companies are looking for the top from the freelance tech. The hirings are in various departments like content, marketing, product managers and others. Listing on TopTal could open the doors of corporate hiring for you. It offers rigorous screening and lucrative awards, but the only thing acting as a setback is the high barrier to entry on it. TopTal hires industry experts who create the best match between the client and the freelancer. Here you can find high-paying clients with lesser fuzz. Number 2. Upwork. It speaks for itself, and it is one of the top 5 freelancing websites for finding gigs. You can sign up as a web designer, artist, illustrator, custom support, and even a person offering a subsequent set of freelancing services. There are unending jobs and gigs posted on this platform every day. You get a feedback rating from your clients for selling your services. Work for the clients with compassion and get an excellent rating to show off. Until you get up and running, keep the pay rate healthy and your feedback rating high. There is a hungry audience for this platform applying for jobs and gigs at lightning speed. Upwork can be worth your time and effort once you make your name in the niche and establish yourself. Number 1. LinkedIn and LinkedIn Pro Finder. LinkedIn is the professional home. Chances are, if you ever look for a job or received special education in art or tech, you already have a profile. You can post your work and showcase what you have achieved in your course till now. Your resume, posts, and portfolio will be the window from which clients will peek in. The platform lets you connect with people who like your content and people who wish to buy your services. LinkedIn has a Pro Finder feature, which they rolled out recently. It enables the businesses to find more skilled people and sort the sloshy ones out. The Pro Finder sends a project your way and lets you bid on it or write a proposal to get it. Organizations and businesses can list jobs and applicants can easily apply. You can select from remote, part-time and full-time jobs as per your preferences. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, then smash the like button and leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the overall content, then feel very free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.